As the popularity and demand for electric vehicles continues to boom, automotive manufacturers across the world are providing consumers with a wider selection of vehicles from which to choose. With this increased popularity comes a requirement for a new set of skills and understanding for maintenance technicians. The Electric Vehicle Systems Panel Trainer is designed to provide students with the skills and knowledge required to maintain and repair electric vehicles. The trainer comes complete with our ultra-low emission vehicle lesson pack, which includes access to hundreds of lessons related to electric vehicles. A range of presentations, investigations, and assessments cover a large number of topics relating to high voltage systems, EV traction motors, EV charging systems, and EV battery technology. The trainer provides students with the opportunity to demonstrate, investigate, and fault-find the electrical system of a typical electric vehicle. A power flow mimic provides a visual representation of vehicle electrical power flow direction and magnitude, and also demonstrates the effects of regenerative braking. The difference between AC charging and DC charging can also be demonstrated visually using the power flow mimic. A touch-screen display allows users to navigate between three modes of operation: drive mode, charge mode, and workshop mode. When in drive mode, students take control of the vehicle, investigating vehicle speed, drive modes, braking strength, and more. Charge mode can be accessed to set charge limits and to display current charging status details such as charging rate, time remaining, and battery range. To investigate vehicle diagnostics and troubleshooting, select Workshop mode to access a digital scan tool, enabling setting and clearing of specific diagnostic codes. A hidden fault insertion mode can be accessed by instructors. Here, specified faults can be introduced into the system for students to investigate and diagnose. The panel includes a printed schematic area showing the 12-volt and HV systems, with CAN integration throughout the vehicle. This diagnostic area contains numerous test points at safe scaled voltages that can be tested and monitored using a multimeter. Other features include a removable service disconnect plug that emulates HV battery isolation. This is used by technicians in the real world, enabling them to work on the vehicle in complete safety. The trainer includes an optional connection to the charging station's panel trainer, to demonstrate the effects of charging via domestic or commercial charging stations. The aim of our Electric Vehicle Systems Panel Trainer is to provide you with a package that gives you everything you need, out of the box, to start teaching electric vehicle technology safely. Contact us today to find out more, or to arrange a demonstration.